Did you know that in the United States, the majority of a waiter's salary comes from their tips? That's right. And believe me, they deserve it, because it's a hustle out there. Hot, 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 hot. Hot plate, 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 watch out. Fajitas, excuse me, fajitas. Sizzling fajitas, excuse me. Hi, I'm Yoni Lotan, and this is Do You Even Food, the most important food quiz show you'll ever see in your life, guaranteed. Name 5 foods you would put ketchup on. Go.
French fries.
1.
Pizza.
2.
And
Go, go, go.
shrimp.
Guys, we're gonna play the classic game of true or false. Hush puppies are named because they were initially invented to help restless hunting dogs fall asleep.
Hush puppy the food?
What other hush puppy is there?
Shoes.
So you're saying the shoes were invented?
Well, dogs like shoes.
The earliest records show that the Sumerians developed the straw so they could consume beer. But this is the last straw. I can't deal with this anymore. This is the last straw.
Why?
This is the last straw.
Everything.
Exactly.
Sick and tired of it.
Español.
No, wait, I need that back. It's the last straw. Coming through, coming through. Coming through. Coming through, watch out. Hot plate. Hot plate. What is the state fruit of California? Is it pears, almonds, or avocados?
Pears. Avocados?
Avocados.
Avocados.
Avocados, yes.
I thought it was oranges. Oh, that's Florida, isn't it?
South Carolina, Alabama, and Georgia all share this as the official state fruit.
Peach.
I have to say the answer. She got it right. Is it A, apple, B, peach, or C, salmon?
I'm gonna go with peach.
Ditto on the peach.
Peach.
Pear.
This state has challenged Texas as the first to popularize the American hamburger. Iowa, Oklahoma, or Connecticut?
Connecticut.
Yes!
Oklahoma.
Iowa.
Connecticut.
You won! She won! She won everything! Do you even food?
What am I supposed to say?
Peppers, chicken. Hot plate. Let's go, hop! Excuse me, hot plate, hot plate. All right, here you go. 2 chicken fajitas. Is there anything else I can get you? All right, cool. Just pay up front. Do you think New Yorkers know everything about food? Well, find out and watch Do You Even Food. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I need this.